In a city filled with unique homes, this duplex definitely stands out. Welcome to 170 Fifth Avenue, known as the Sohmer Piano Building. My name is Lawrence Treglia with Sotheby's International Real Estate. This penthouse offers over 5,700 square feet of living, 5 bedrooms. Every room has a view of the Empire State Building, and you have a private roof deck looking over Madison Square Park and the rest of Manhattan. And you see all of that the moment you get off the elevator into this grand foyer. And here you have one of 3 comfortable living rooms. And take a look at these details. You have your southern exposure, the fireplace, and skylights that extend throughout the whole floor, looking at the Empire State Building. And let's not forget all the beautiful moldings, the herringbone wooden floors, and the Corinthian columns. And while this is also beautiful, let me show you the wow factor. Every time I walk into this cupola, it takes my breath away. You can see the gold dome in this room from Union Square up to Midtown. And standing here, you can see the Empire State Building, the Freedom Tower, the Flatiron Building, and all the historic water towers. Then you can sit back and marvel at this hand-painted mural standing 30 feet tall and just say, wow. And in this inviting dining room, you can feast under the stars with 10 people you may or may not like. And with plenty of storage, it is easy to take another wine glass in case someone else shows up that you may or may not know. This is a super functional kitchen filled with light. It has stone countertops, custom cabinetry, and premium appliances. But please, let me show you my personal wow factor. I just love this nook. Sitting here is so calming. And to complete the upper level, there is a gym, but please follow me down the grand staircase. Who doesn't like making a grand entrance into another grand entrance? Throughout this duplex, you can feel how it was thoughtfully planned. Here you have the family room off the primary bedroom, which is down the hall from 3 bedrooms, offering both privacy and a place for gathering. Lounging here in the primary suite, I feel like I'm at the plaza. The walls of windows, the beautiful molding, and the lighting. And wait till you see the walk-in closets and the bathroom. And just imagine taking a soak in here. I hope you enjoyed touring this unique, special penthouse in a historic landmark building. We'll see you on the next one.
If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, subscribe to Open House TV.